now having a look to a very big market which is called the Crawford Market.
ओके
This is the famous Pani Puri.
आपको मालूम है ना कौन सा फालूदा अच्छा है करके, कौन सा खाना अच्छा है करके, आप वो ऑर्डर करो। आप जो भी ऑर्डर करेगा हम खाएगा,
Okay, fine.
क्योंकि हम अगर ये देखेगा भी, मेरे को टेस्ट भी पता नहीं, कुछ पता नहीं।
Okay, so Royal Faluda, you will share it?
Yeah.
Or one full.
No, let's have one for us, and then we'll keep some space to put other things.
Yeah, that's Pani Puri is there, then Sardar Pav Bhaji is there,
Okay.
Pan is there, Frankie is there.
वो सब कुछ ऑर्डर कर दे फिर।
God. No, Frankie and all is another place.
ओके
Shahid bhai. Okay, so excuse me, bhai, one Royal Faluda and one Pani Puri, and also you can taste dosa here, masala dosa.
ओके
Okay, for now this much is okay.
या पानी पूरी भी ऑर्डर किया,
Yes, Pani Puri.
पान इधर नहीं
Pan
है।
will go somewhere else.
ओके तो आप लोग को क्या ऑर्डर किया, आप और शाहिद को?
Shahid bhai will order whatever he wants. आप
शाहिद
उसका
भाई
order देख लेना.
आपको क्या चाहिए बताना।
पानी पूरी और
मसाला डोसा और रॉयल फालूदा 1/2.
ओके मसाला डोसा पानी पूरी
तो एक ही मसाला डोसा, ओनली वन मसाला डोसा।
So we call for one more dosa or
यू मीन से
sandwich.
विल शेयर ऑल 3 वन डोसा?
No, because we're just tasting,
ओके
right?
या दैट्स गुड
Because we have to still eat so much.
या लेट्स डू दैट।
Otherwise, then you will be full. You won't get to
Correct, yeah.
taste any other street food.
या So this is one of the most famous Faluda shop here.
Absolutely. So this is more than 100 years old place.
More than 100 years old.
The faluda is prepared in a way like it would be having the topping as a ice cream,
Yeah.
vanilla or strawberry. The milk is the important part of the faluda with basil and hola.
Okay.
Hola is to keep your stomach, gut cool.
Yeah.
So when you have heavy food and all, you want to settle your acidity control. So then faluda people would have because it has hola and basil seed which will control your gut.
Okay.
So that is what the importance of faluda is.
शाहिद भाई आपने कुछ ऑर्डर किया ऑर्डर किया है? ओके सो I had Faluda in Sri Lanka also, but I don't think it's same. So every place will have their own
But here
ingredient.
faludas also people would prepare at home
Yeah.
in Ramzan
Okay.
because people would have
That rosa something, no? Not rosa.
yeah, iftari when we do the 30 days fast,
Yeah.
Manju, and then we break our fast, right? In the night, people will prefer to have faluda.
Okay.
Okay, not a big quantity, but little.
Yeah.
To just cleanse their stomach.
Yeah.
The acidity control will be there. It just balances it.
Yeah.
Because the hola and the seeds which are put to the faluda will control.
Yeah.
That's
Seed is basically chia seeds, right?
yeah.
It's fresh mango.
Because mango season has not yet come still, but the mango season will only start in around summer.
But where did they get them?
These are still not ripe, yes. But these would be used for pickles, for preparing
Yeah.
pickles.
So,
Wait this long.
Batsha, since 1905.
Yes. That comes your pani puri.
शाहिद भाई को पानी पूरी चाहिए?
भाई 2 प्लेट दे दो ना.
ये तो खाना मालूम में।
So now you know that you have to just
Break it.
break the hollow, mix
Put
the
all.
content and eat it at one go. So
So
I will show you one, I'll demonstrate one.
This is mungu.
Yes. Okay. Fill it with this. This is mashed potatoes with coriander. Fill it with this. That is tamarind and dates. Fill it with this. And this is spicy water. And have it
So this
at
is what basically-
one go.
Potato. Mashed potato.
Oh, this potato. And this one?
Dates.
Dates and tamarind paste. This is the famous Pani Puri. So Pani Puri standard is this masala dosa and shahi faluda. भाई साहब दो फालूदा रॉयल फालूदा को 3 में बनाना.
दो का 3 बना दो।
यस.
ये बना दो, थोड़ा रुक के बोल दो अभी।
हाँ हाँ 2/3 हाँ. How is the pani puri?
This one is
This is masala dosa. This is a spicy. It's only chili.
It's
with
super tasty,
coriander.
super hot. Even pani puri once I had, but not with all. So I had this one with this one. Not mungu,
Not an,
mashed potato and all.
But this is the standard of Mumbai. Like pani puri will be served like this.
It's super tasty.
Yeah, because this is the chili water, which gives the flavor to the pani puri.
Yes.
The highlight would be this.
Yeah. So that's why pani puri very famous in Mumbai. Yeah?
Very. So if you want to call for more, there is no hitch. Huh? You can call for more because we are having a long tour today. So as and when we'll have lot of intervals.
No. It's more than enough.
Yeah.
Let's try something else.
भाई इसके एक्स्ट्रा पूरी मिलेगी कितना? हाँ ठीक है दे दो. Now masala dosa you will have to like break from within because the masala is inside. Okay, that's the masala of the potatoes, and you'll have to take this from inside and eat. This is sambar potato. Sorry, tomato pulp.
आप कॉल करेंगे तो इधर मिलो कि हम
शायद भाई अभी हम लोग को चोर बाजार जाना है
हाँ
तो इधर ही मिलेगी.
इधर आप फ्री होके मेरे को
हाँ
कॉल
क्रॉफर्ड मार्केट करके चोर बाजार फिर धारावी करना है.
कोई मतलब आप फ्री हो जाओ फिर कॉल करो तो इधर ही बादशाह
आपने
पे
खाना?
हाँ
तो शाहिद भाई का खाना
He had it.
already.
So that is the royal faluda.
Thank you. So kids time maybe you had really nice time, yeah?
Very. Like my childhood was so different in Mumbai. Before Mumbai had so much space now, Manjuglai, that the horse carriages came right inside of the lane. to pick us, drop us. We had only horse carriages drive in the city. I of course could not capture because no camera techniques were in the olden days.
Yeah.
Gateway to have played inside as a child. Chopati Beach is like, I don't know how many times you must have visited this, every place of the city. So horse carriages were very, very important in the earlier days. Like they would be passing by, we would stop them like, wait, we are getting down, and then they would stop over there. So empty the lanes were before. Now horse carriages, cruelty to animals, so they are now no more seen in the city.
And difficult to maintain as well, no?
Right. Now in this modern world, really horse carriages need lot of space. So that's why they have been discontinued. And also because cruelty to animals, and so banned the horse carriages and all that.
Correct.
Have the masala from inside, Clive. So what we are having is masala dosa, pani puri and royal faloo. Then our next stop is going to be Frankie, chicken Frankie, pan, pav bhaji,
Kayega pan.
of course.
This almost like a pavi. Same like a pavi. So maybe all Mumbai Indian same. So we met one Indian couple in Kazakhstan.
Okay.
I called them today morning.
Okay.
We going to meet today or tomorrow. So we really had good time with them.
How many days you stayed in Goa?
6.
Long. You like Goa?
Very much.
It is a place, huh?
Yes. Masala dosa 130, pani puri 100, extra puri 30. So you follow her?
So, Rai, Manju, come here. So we are now having a look to a very big market which is called the Crawford Market.
Okay.
It was after Sir Arthur Crawford it is named.
Arthur.
Arthur Crawford.
Okay.
Okay, the municipal commissioner of that time.
Okay.
Now this market has everything what you need.
Okay.
From home appliances to beauty centers to stationery to toys to our gold suit, costume jewelry, decoration, wet fruits, dry fruits, imported cosmetics. You'll see every section.
All under one roof.
All under one roof. Okay, imported brands, everything is available here.
Okay.
So people would come here on weekends every day to buy, but Sunday this market is closed.
Sunday.
Sunday it is closed.
Okay.
Okay, during the festivals, these markets are open on Sunday
Okay.
because festival people want to buy stuff
Yeah.
for the decoration. Now Christmas nearing, Diwali it was closed or open on Sundays
Yeah.
because people were buying the festival decoration, and it is all available here.
Yeah.
Okay, this market is like
So this is the
now,
market.
This whole stretch we will go walking a bit of it to see it, and
Yeah.
then we'll move to the other market.
So let's
Come.
talk while walking.
Come.
Uh,
So Manju, if I want to buy Glide, my home appliances, I will walk in this market. I'll get everything, cooking utensils to washing machines to refrigerators to ovens in very wholesale price. Okay, so I will buy it from this Crawford Market.
wow.
Now this beauty center is been such a old beauty center.
This one.
Yeah, it's a 4-story beauty center where all the international brands, cosmetics, name it, and it is available here. Okay, now if I want to buy some fancy crockeries and utensils and any bit of it,
Okay.
I will walk around and have it from you. Okay, so this is everything under one roof, Manju.
Wow. First time I'm into this kind of huge market here.
Yes, and not
I've been-
expensive.
I've been, like maybe 1 acre entire market.
Yeah, but this is very fairly priced. Let's walk here.
लाइट ग्रे नहीं है
मैडम दे दो सुबह दे दो
Walk here.
जाएंगे
Now, okay, I choose to decorate my house with bed sheets and tablecloths and runners and sari or covers and keeping my goods safely. All these covers, utensils, crockery, name it, table mats, door mats, everything. Curtains, I don't even need to stitch. I come to the markets, I get ready-made curtains.
And
Boxes,
how's the
storing jars.
price?
Very fairly priced. Like this will be like 50 rupees, 100 rupees,
Wow.
or 60 rupees. Clips are for 100, like that. Buckets, bath and bathing stores. Now we'll walk inside of a very big fabric market.
Fabric.
Now this market almost has about more than 500 shops. Okay? All imported brands, suiting, shirtings, dress materials.
These are imported one.
Everything is available in
But
this fabric
you know,
market.
Sri Lanka is importing basically saris and all from India.
Yeah, but some of the shops would be having imported fabrics as well.
Okay.
Like Raymond, they would have Raymond clothes, shirtings, suitings. All the cotton, silk, all the weaves in
It's all-
different weaves.
Family business, right? Generation.
Yes. This is by lanes and lanes. We are just walking to one of the lanes. Now I just decide to buy a nice, like what I've worn is stitched by my tailor.
Okay.
I'll just come to him, buy like this would be about 4,000 or something, and then I will buy it, get it stitched from my tailor. Look so beautiful, ready. Ready to wear. If
Not much.
I don't choose to even stitch, then I've got these guys for selling the ready-made.
Just only to adjust the length, right? Other everything is perfect.
Everything is there. Now they have all the sizes also, from large, medium, XL to all the sizes.
Okay. I think that's good. Let's exit the market.
So there are lanes like this, lanes, 500
500 lanes.
shops.
500 shops.
I'm just taking you a bit of walking for you to have a highlight of the market.
Yeah.
This
Which
market is long, long, long inside.
Yeah.
Inside. Now kaftans and tunics and all, I don't really need to really worry about if I had to wear it immediately, instantly. I just would get everything over here in this market.
You don't have to wait. Just
I don't
come
have to
by
wait.
and then
It's full of any kind of things I want here. Manju, it's available. Now my tailors also stitch her and give me in about 24 hours.
yeah.
2 days, 1 day he will stitch the fabric and give me. So such is the way people. He's got a fixed price shop. I don't know. कितने का है भाई साहब ये? 1150. It's 1150.
1150.
Yeah. So that is that's
3 pieces.
The stole
ये किधर बनाया?
made in India.
मुंबई का. क्लास में कितना में दिएगा?
होलसेल प्राइस फिक्स नहीं
अच्छा.
Yeah. So they have all the fixed rate shops.
Okay.
So for 1,000.
सब एक ही प्राइस से.
No, different. Like this is 1550.
Okay.
It's written there 1550. This is 1550 again 1550.
Okay. Let's walk then.
Yeah, come let's go. Come here.
Saveri Bazaar.
Zaveri. Okay, Zaveri is the people, the Zaver are the people who are selling jewelry,
Okay.
and Bazaar is the place.
Jewelry bazaar.
Jewelry Bazaar. So it in Hindi it is called Zaveri Bazaar.
Okay.
Okay, now this market over the years has got so many of costume jewelry
Okay.
because nowadays people cannot afford the real jewelry.
Yeah.
Okay, even if they can afford, now the theme weddings and weddings different colors. You really can't afford to wear so many colors.
And competition very high. You
So-
want to be better than me, I want to be better than you.
So why can't I just buy fashion jewelry which is looking so beautiful, matching
Yeah.
to my clothes, make me look so
Affordable.
pretty? So the people would sell. Now so many people have opting for fashion jewelry.
Okay.
All the fashion jewelry store guys are here,
Hmm.
and also real jewelry, real diamond.
Okay.
It's all here.
Let's walk then.
Yeah, come. Silver. Silver is much expensive than real gold.
Really?
Okay, the silver price has gone high so much.
So I will sell my silver then. How many grams this one? More
But
than
now
100,
don't do it, sir, because the silver and gold prices are gone down very high.
right? Yeah.
So don't sell it now. It's not the right time.
Let's
So
not.
before last week, the real gold was 131.
Yeah.
Okay, now it's only 113. So much of price downfall is has.
Pan wala aaya.
No, panwala you have to taste somewhere else.
What is this cucumber?
Which one, sir?
Why cucumber? Yeah, cucumber
That is
tomato.
Sandwich.
Ah, okay, okay.
Mumbai sandwich.
Let's have that sandwich.
You
Is
sure?
it good? It's good to have. Huh? Yes.
We'll keep sandwich for some later in
Okay.
the evening space. So we have Mumba TV temple
Mumba TV temple.
right in the heart of Zaveri Bazaar.
Okay.
Now this place,
What
if
is
I'm
this
walking, I
design?
get all the decorations. Fancy decorations.
Let's walk there. What is this design?
No, they beautifully decorated this whole lane during the festival of Diwali.
Ah, okay.
Beautiful decoration. But now
Wow.
they're removing it because the festival is over.
So if we would have come 1 week early,
You would have seen that this whole place looked beautiful. Now this is everything wholesale. You won't get anything in retail.
it's all wholesale.
Wholesale
Such a
market.
small shop.
The whole place is wholesale market. So everything is in wholesale price, but they'll give you only in bulk, not one piece.
Okay.
12 piece only.
12 pieces.
Yes, sir. All party bags, decorations for my themes, return gifts. I get it everything here. Just one go I come and I can shop everything.
So now we are into stationery side.
So this house, Aglai, this houses wet fruits, dry fruits, cosmetics, coffee you can buy from here.
Ah, coffee I can buy here.
Beauty products, everything is available in this stretch of the market.
Wow, all dry
Imported
fruit.
chocolates, mouth fresheners, dates, everything. So lanes after lanes, sir, you
Yeah.
see the same shops available.
Correct.
Okay,
we can make a
mangoes,
move now.
watermelon, papaya, dry fruit,
Fly.
cosmetics, chocolates.
Let's pass by here.
Okay, no, not this way, sir. Let's walk from here.
No, I want to pass by cat.
Oh, that's different. We will have to see that and come out.
Yeah.
So,
हाँ मैम हाँ
Pet section.
So fish would be auspicious, birds
have-
would be auspicious. Now people have so many cats.
We have 5.
Really, Persian cats, sir?
Mix basically we got
Wow.
Turkish
But now
Angora.
because that you're here, who would look after?
Someone is there to take care, watchman, and then one Indian family is supporting us.
Okay, so they would look after your cat.
Yeah.
Okay. Let's walk in this. Okay, so glad you saw this whole market is
Hello.
just same. Lanes and after lanes. We have figs, dry fruits, all our
हमको ये
dates,
चाहिए.
all of this.
I want this.
You want this?
Yeah.
Okay. भाई बट आप कितना है कितने का है भाई 600 रुपीज़ किलो बराबर करो ना हम गेस्ट को चाहिए
भाव कम नहीं दवाई का चीज है ज़्यादा हम लोग बोलते नहीं आया वही भाव है उसका
600 रुपीज़ किलो ओके 5 नहीं हो सकता है बिकॉज ही इज सीइंग यू इफ इट वाज मी अलोन
That's fine.
he would have negotiated
75
1 किलो चाहिए 1 किलो से ज़्यादा कम है ना
This enough.
550 ग्राम
This enough.
ये इनफ है कितने का आएगा
इसका हो गया 330
330 330 रुपीज़
Okay.
300 ले लो अभी
ये कितना का है?
ये पैकेट
Passion fruit.
600 रुपये किलो
ये सबका 600 क्यों बोलता है भाई?
चेरी भी है उसका है रेट करके बोला आपने कोइंसिडेंटली वही आइटम पूछा
सर
है।
गिव 300 for this and this is again by kilo right
हाँ
that's kilo yeah 1 kilo
तो दोनों को कितना हो गया? आधा किलो दे.
30
इतना नहीं चाहिए, आधा किलो दे.
so 300 and 300 600
अभी उसको 300 हो गया ना?
330 रुपये ओके
ओके. और 200 का पैशन फ्रूट डाल दे.
200 का
हाँ 500 हो गया.
200 का कितना हो जाएगा रे
अरे चोर दे, पूरा दे. चलेगा दे भाई, दे पूरा दे.
भाई ये तैयार है क्या
नहीं कड़क है
खराब तो नहीं है ना?
खराब नहीं भाई
पक्का?
200 का
दुकान का साथ कैप्चर करेगा. भाई ने बोला पक्का खराब नहीं है करके. इसे गारंटी नॉट स्पॉइल.
ये डाल दीजिए।
भाई चेक करके दो ना गेस्ट को खाने का है
आज ही आया है
ताजा माल है
ताजा माल दिया आपको पूरा माल तो अंदर ही पड़ा है।
कड़क है
800, 800, 850.
930 होता है मैं कम कर दिया ना उसमें
30 रुपया करके कौन सा बिल्डिंग खड़े करने वाला था सर
वो चीज़ में हम ज़्यादा कमाते हैं वो दवाई का चीज़ है काय के लिए वापस मालूम है आपको
नहीं
फॉर कैंसर
अच्छा
हाउ मच?
तो ये खाने से क्या होता है वो लेवल कंट्रोल करता है
वो जो टेस्ट जाता है ना मुँह का वो भी आ जाता है
ठीक
थैंक यू भाई.
सर यू गेव हिम 900
900 right? It's okay.
did he give you 100 back you gave him 1000 you
900.
gave him 900
And
tell me sir
that fruit is really good, dear.
Yeah?
You must eat at least once in the month.
I don't like that
Yeah.
passion I think it's passion fruit
It's
right
basically cancer prevention
yeah
and good for something as well. I'm not really so sure, but for sure it's good for cancer prevention.
so you have that all the time
Yes,
the green one you're talking
green one, not the passion fruit.
of no I don't we usually would not eat that
Huh?
What we bought?
This is passion fruit. That one, we are usually bringing from Sri Lanka, no?
okay Oh,
It's-
okay.
Guyabano.
I forgot the name.
We don't eat this of. At least I
in
would
our
not
language
eat.
we call aata.
Okay.
In English something else. I forgot the
Sour
name.
soup.
Huh?
Sour soup.
Sour soup, no. Is it?
Sour soup.
Okay.
We call it guyabano in my.
And guabana.
Okay. This is not very popularly or consumed by people. Like this was only the shop I saw.
Then
Otherwise,
what you do with it?
only this guy was selling. I don't really think other fruit sellers will be selling
What
it.
they do with it?
No, some people like you who would be knowing about it would be coming and buying from him. But not all the fruit sellers would have this. No. I saw with you for the first time.
It can exit from anywhere.
Pardon?
Both
yes,
the way we
we'll
can
go
exit,
from here,
yeah?
sir. So we were going to have original pan, but these are the pan golas.
No, no, I want to have
And
original,
of course,
fresh
we will
one.
have the fresh original pan.
So this
But
is
I'm just
pan
showing
golas,
you.
yeah? Wow.
Contains the same ingredients, but they are
Same
prepared in
taste
a.
all?
Yeah, almost. Can
Bye,
you
thank
buy
you.
it? Do you want?
त्यानं सांगितलं ना
सदानंद के पास
buy
हम
for
लोग
now?
जिस नहीं तो
Like-
सदानंद ने आपको ईसा भाई फायर
Buy
पता है
for
ना
now
ईसा भाई
and then see you from Chor Bazaar.
हाँ बस वहाँ